People remember not what you said, but they remember how you made them feel.
Naren.
This is Naren, and I want to bring this to your attention. How often in interactions are we focused on what we're saying or what we're going to say rather than focusing on how we're making the other person feel? Let me give you an example. I went to a buddy's wedding of mine a few months ago, and this person comes up and says, "Hey Naren, how have you been? It's been 5 years since we've met." And I didn't really remember the person, to be honest. And I was like, "Oh, where did we meet? Please remind me." And you know what the person said? They said, "Hey, 5 years ago, we met at this event. I was really thirsty looking for water, and you got a water bottle for me." And I was like, wow, that's crazy. The person did not remember me because I had said something to them, but of something that I did, and it made them feel special or important or valued in some sense when I get them a bottle of water when they're thirsty. And this is really evidence of this statement that we all have heard before. So let's start becoming conscious of how we make people feel rather than focusing on just what we say to them. Much love. I'll see you in my next video.